Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with brand new video. If you are a mobile graphics designer, this video is for you. In this video I will show you best and essential apps for mobile graphics legend like you, working almost in all Android and iOS phone. So stay tuned, subscribe and turn on notification icon to all. And let's start this video by clicking once and like button. Starting up at number 5, we have Image Size. Image Size is best app for converting any image size without losing its original quality. Also you can convert your artwork or poster for bigger printable size. The maximum pixel size for image conversion is 6000 pixel. You also convert your normal pixel image to centimeter and inch scale. Image Size gives you the option of saving, emailing, printing, or sharing the final image. This app is available for both iOS and Android devices. Moving on number 4, we have the app called Color Harmony. This app is essential for mobile graphics maker to pick any color scheme and codes from any images. The best feature of this app is the generated color codes can be exported for Photoshop users. And you can save as image your generated color codes for app like Pixellab, PS Touch, and also in PixArt. Using RGB tool, you can create your own color palette. There also CMYK color generator for designers and printers. Coming in at number 3, we have Background Eraser. This app is most downloaded eraser app in Play Store. Maybe you know this app before. This is an application for cutting pictures and for making a picture's background transparent. The resulting images can be used as stamps with other apps to make a photo montage collage. So, using this app, you can erase selective color from an image using Magic Tool in-app. This is useful especially when you want remove selective area in one image. Next up at number 2. Have you looking for the number 1 vector graphic design app for Android? Look no further. Vector Ink will make your whole vector graphic design process much easier. Vector Ink is the most underrated designing app I have ever seen. This app is alternative for Adobe Illustrator in Android. You can design amazing professional logo using golden ratio tool like Adobe Illustrator. This app offers smart vector graphic design tools that break the limits of creativity, allowing everyone to turn their creative ideas into a reality. Using Vector Ink, a logo designer can import a paper drawing or sketchbook art into Vector Ink, trace the logo sketch using the Vector Ink Path Builder tool, and export a professional, geometrically precise vector logo. Vector Ink offers a smart path builder tool that will merge and build the shape you want the way you want with perfect precision and little design effort. Bring your shapes to life with our color tools. Vector Ink offers linear and radial gradient options along with multiple color picker types and an advanced color palette editor so you can generate and save your own color palettes for later use. We can get amazing features in this app like Draw Tool, Distribute Tool, Pen Tool, Corner Tool, Ribbon Tool, Stroke Sizes and Stroke Caps and much more. And finally at number 1 we have awesome app called Photoroom. Photoroom is the all-in-one app that edits, designs and optimizes great visual content that helps you run your business from your phone. Remove or erase the background of photos, use templates, and create your own content. No need to be a photographer or design pro anymore. With Photoroom, you can turn your photos into pro-quality content in seconds. The app crops objects and people in your picture automatically with one tap, and create standout content that showcases a product or person. Edit the image, add text or a logo, stickers, make collages, or use one of our 1000+ background templates to make it even easier. It's like having a whole photography and design studio in your pocket. All apps download link is given in description. You can download and use these apps. So, that's for today. If you found this video interesting, then please leave it a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.